to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Oh, we're just going to call it a wonderful Wednesday. The temps have come down, and according to Bob Harlan's weather report this morning, it's only supposed to be about 90 here in Sutter County, California. Oh, better than 100. All right, last night I prepared a fun little dish. Grilled cheese with spinach and tomato is ooey gooey. And it was. This is a fun little meal. It's a great twist on the classic grilled cheese. Give it a try. Yes, it was yum. I will post up the recipe. Guidelines. All right. Tonight, the culinary expedition continues. Tonight, we will be in Iran, also known as Persia. Before it was Iran, years ago, it was Persia. Tonight, I'm going to be preparing. I am not going to attempt the Persian name. I'll never get it right. But this is a Persian celery stew. But there's a twist. The name is a little misleading, and I'll get to that in a few seconds. All right, let's get to it. All right, some simple hardware. Dutch oven and a saute pan. That's it. All right, here comes the twist. Lamb. There is lamb in this Persian celery stew. Fortunately, there's some markets here in town I can get lamb. This is actually lamb kebab. The recipe calls for lamb stew meat. Basically, almost the same thing. So we got lamb. This is about 10 ounces-ish. Of course, got to have celery. If people know me really well, they know I am not a big celery fan. It's not because of the flavor. It's because of the texture and strings. And I had an unfortunate incident with celery and peanut butter when I was a young child. So we'll just leave it there. All right. Got a little bit of pumice olive oil to be, cause I'll be sauteing up some of these vegetables like the celery. This poor, sad-looking parsley. I'm going to get fresh herbs this morning. So there's parsley. I'll be using about half of this yellow onion. Mint. One of the fresh herbs I'll be buying is fresh mint. So there's fresh celery, fresh parsley, fresh mint, turmeric. They actually call for I believe it's called a Persian lime. Good luck finding those here in Northern California. You can probably find them in specialty stores, but you can substitute good old lime juice for the Persian limes. Of course, black pepper and kosher salt and good old water. No stocks, just water. So here's the goodies for tonight's Persian, I almost said cucumber, Persian celery stew. So that's what I have going on this evening in Iran, aka Persia. At least it's not 100 degrees tonight when I'm having a stew. All right, today's Wednesday. Not only is it a wonderful Wednesday, but it's Menu Wednesday. As soon as I get all the video work done, I start to work on next week's menu. I've already submitted my list of suggestions to Robin for Sunday dinner. She's supposed to let me know today what her choice is. But she also gets to pick whatever she wants. That's in my recipe library, as you know, is quite extensive. So, on this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.